are starting with, you want to do the whole map, just a quick over the map?
Yeah.
So we're starting, this is our first county coloring in, the counties that have virtual storefronts. There's a new map that has 3,243 counties on it in the United States. So we need to color in the ones that we have already have storefronts, and we figured it out. So that little one there is Clay.
That's Clay County.
Which is next to us. This one right here is Cherokee. We're the westernmost county in North Carolina. Here it goes.
Yep.
Ready?
Yep.
Red indicates that virtual storefronts are active in that county. So there goes. Cherokee is active. Now we're in Graham County, where Robbinsville is.
Yep.
Now that's active. And Clay.
In Clay County.